Welcome back to Comedy Cooking YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe.
Digitek GoCAM Ultra HD Sports Action Camera in the color black. The action camera has the ability to record native 5K at 30 FPS. With its 128GB U3 class plus 10 memory card, you can capture crisp, pro-quality photos with 24-megapixel interpolated to 48-megapixel clarity. It comes with two dual screens that helps to capture selfies with 2-inch LCD at back and a 1.3-inch at front. The 6-axis Gyro EIS Stabilization helps you to make crisp, shake-free, and butter-smooth videos. Furthermore, with two pieces of 1350 mAh battery for long-time operation, this camera almost covers all the functions that you need or you can imagine. Designed to meet most of the underwater sports records, the camera is waterproof up to a depth of 30 meters with waterproof case. With Wi-Fi support, you can switch to the much faster on-demand speed for file transfers and other app-based functions like low-latency image previews.